Hello guys, welcome to class once again. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube page, Ultimate Mathematics Frederick. Okay, let's get started. Today we are going to talk about one's complement, representation of signed binary numbers. Yes, when I'm talking about this, then I'm actually meaning in a complement what form. Let us get started. When we say one's complement, let us use this example. Let me say, for instance, if I have 101 and I should put this 101 into one's complement. What I'm actually meaning is that I want you to make all ones zeros and all zeros one. Okay, so this in one's complement, this in one's complement is going to be 0 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, and if I want you to also find two's complement of this same number, what I'm actually telling you is that to find two's complement, it means that two's complement, when I say find a two complement, it means that you're actually going to take your one's complement plus 1. What do I mean? Let us practicalize it. So when I want two complements of this same number, the number is 101. What I'm actually going to do is that I'm first going to find the ones complement of this number, which is what? 010. Then I'm going to add 1 to the number to get what? My two's complement. So I'm finally going to get 110. So this become my what? My two's complement of this number. Okay, since we're actually talking about the representation of signed binary numbers, so let us get straight to what? Do this ones and two complements in signed binary numbers. Okay, and when we want to find one's complement in signed binary number, it's actually going to be what? The sign bit. The sign bit at one side, then finding what? One's complement. So one's complement. Finding one's complement is actually going to be the sign bit and the first complement of the actual binary. The sign bit and the one's complement. The one's complement of actual binary. One's complement of actual binary. So let's take this example. Let me say, for instance, if I have -7 and I want to get a one's complement of -7, there are several ways to get what? The binary of -7. Someone will say, let's go this way. So binary means that 2, 7. Then what? I have my remainder here. I can go this way to get it. So 2 go here, 3 remainder 1. 2 go here, 1 remainder 1, 0, 1. So it means that my binary of 7 will now be what? So now my 7 in binary will now be 111. You see the thing? And anytime you are dealing with sign bits, you are actually going to get a value or a representative of that sign. And we were taught in our previous lesson that when it is negative, we are going to get, there will be a 1. And when it is positive, there is going to be what? A 0. So to write this value into one's complement is that to write this value into one's complement is that since this value is -7 but not 7, and 7 is what? Negative. The minus is saying that the 7 is not what? Minus what? 7. So let's first neglect the sign and find what? The complement of what? The actual binary, which is what? 7 in the positive. So we know that 1111 in one's complement gives us what? 0, 0, 0. So since it is what? We have found the ones complement here. And now the sign bit we know is minus. So we are going to put 1 here. Let the 1 be standing. So finally, -7, which is what? A signed binary number, will now be equal to my -7 will now be equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. That is what I'm saying. 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, let us get our what? Our 2 complement. And in finding the 2 complement, the 2's complement, what you are actually going to do is that you are going to add 1 to what? Your 1's complement. You are going to add what? 1 to your 1's what? Complement. So my 2's complement of my signed binary number is equal to what? My 1000 plus what? 1, which I'm going to get 1001. So this is what? My final answer. That is what? Putting this -7 or manipulating this -7 and representing it in a signed binary number way. So I get my 177. Let us do a quick recap. My sign magnitude here is what? My sign magnitude here is what? Is what I have. Let me just say, is our sign magnitude here would now be, if we are manipulating, we are actually manipulating this number, the -7, we are writing it in a normal way. Then it's going to be what? 111. The 1 here is there because what? The number is what? Negative. The minus. This 1 here, the first 1 here, tells us the number is what? Minus. Then in one's complement, we maintain our 1 here. Then all ones become what? 0. So 0, 0, 0. And our 2's complement, what's going to happen is that we are going to add 1 to this. So we get 1, 0, 0, 1. Thank you guys. This is a quick recap. Yes, and those who told me they're actually going to write exam, this is a quick recap of what? Actually, 1's and 2's complement representation of signed binary numbers. Thank you till we meet again, and don't forget the head is always big for a reason. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Mathematics Freddy. Till we meet again, Bim!